Hello, everyone, and welcome to the third episode of Spill the Tea. My name is Ramazan. I work as a conversational AI developer at Artificial Solutions, the company behind Teneo. So today, I will be giving you an update on our latest news on our developers platform. As for the January and December months, we have released a new version of Teneo Studio 6.2. So in order to read the new content that has been produced together with the new release platform, you will need to visit our page that is called teneo.ai. And while inside your page, you will see a documentations tab on the top corner here. Once clicked, you will open up our tutorials that are available for you if you want to create a new solution or get help when building your new best practices. So in the tab, you will see something called the reference documentations. Clicking on it will open a new tab where you have the reference documentations available. And scrolling down through the main page, you will see a tab that is called Teneo Platform Release 6.2. So if we summarize the new content, you will be able to see that we have added global clear logging scripts, which allows the user to redact, remove, or change any type of sensitive data before it gets written to the logs. We have also made some updates on Teneo Languages, including Bulgarian dialogue resources and lexical resources. So we have added more support to our Bulgarian language. We have made some updates on our Studio API. Now a user is able to retrieve information through integrations, global variables, global scripted context, class managers, and solution history through our public APIs. Some general improvements and bug updates, but we have also added some more support that are available on our Teneo.ai page. So if we go back and visit our page, we will be able to see, once clicking on the technology tab, that we have more support added to our Bulgarian. So if we just scroll down, you will see all of our information and availability when it comes to languages. And if we scroll down a bit more, you will be able to see the pre-built knowledge we have for these different languages. And as for Bulgarian, you can see that we have added lexical resources and dialogue resources. As for the LUIS to the power of Teneo, previously, the user were able to build and deploy and explore our LUIS to the power of Teneo solution on the English language. But we have also added now support for 18 different languages. So based on a request, you will be able to retrieve this and build LUIS to the power of Teneo in your own request in your own language. As for the pre-logging scripts, we have added a new concept and a new how-to that is called anonymize user data. And that can be retrieved by opening up the documentations tab. And while inside it, you can click on build your bot. And in build your bot, you will see to the left sidebar, there is a section called scripting. When you click on scripting, you can go through different concepts. For example, in scripts, we explain what the pre-logging scripts are, but you can also read about pre-logging scripts under the reference documentation. But if you want to see how to anonymize user data, you just scroll down and you look at here. Once you click on this page, you will be introduced with the core concept of pre-logging scripts, and you will be given a use case where you can redact your information based on the Longberry Barista solution that comes included when signing up for a free trial. So as for this, you can see if you just zoom in a bit, that the personal data, someone has mentioned their name, that has been redacted with a star, and the same thing comes for the output. It is redacted. This does not in any way affect the functionality with the bot. It does not affect the way it performs. The only thing it does is that it goes in to the section right before it logs the data or the information of the logs, and it just does what you ask it to do. So it does not affect the functionality of the bot. Instead, it affects the logging. So the logging are being done in a censored way, in an anonymized way, but the functionality is not affected. So as for this, we are showing how you can anonymize a variable by adding a single code line in your global scripts. But if you also want to do a more wider range, a more broad range, you can go ahead and personalize your personal data when someone mentions a name, someone mentions an address. You can go ahead and do that. And you just need to follow this beautiful guide and just go through every single step, and that's it. So if you're interested in testing out these new concepts or anything that I have mentioned, you can go ahead and click Get Started to the top right corner to sign up for a free trial of 90 days. If you already have an account, you can reach out to us at the developers at artificialsolutions.com and send us an email asking for any more information that is available. And then if you're interested in questions or giving us any feedback, you can go ahead and visit our forum page where you can post different questions and get to know more best practices or communicate with different developers that are building in our platform. And yes, that's it for this episode. So thank you so much for watching Spill the Tea episode 3. Leave a like if you enjoy this video. Subscribe if you want to see more content from our side. Please go ahead and sign up for a free trial if you're interested. And yeah, comment if you have any questions, and I will make sure it is answered for the next one. Bye.